how to use email template in Brevo. So first, go to your account and then click on campaigns here at the top left. Okay, now from here, you just need to select create campaign. Okay, click on email and then just type in your campaign name. So I'm just going to type test here, and then if you want to add it to a folder, you can do that, but I'm just going to add a test name and then click on create campaign. And then here you just need to add the recipients. Click on add recipients, and then you can begin adding recipients from here. And then next is, after you've added the recipients, you can just click on save here. Next is add subject. Now here you can see the subject line and then the preview text here. So I'm going to add test, and then as you can see here, and there you go. Now just click on save. And then after you're done adding your recipients, subject, and then now here you can start using your templates. Just click on start designing, and then you can use your saved templates, or you can just click on basic templates here, and then you can use the pre-built-in templates. Now just choose which one you're going to use. So let's say I'm going to use this one here. Click on use template, or if you want to see it first, you can just click on the eye icon, this one, and then you can just click on use template if you liked it. Now here you can start using your template, or just edit it first. Edit it however you want. You can use the options here available to add things here to this template, as you can see. And then you can just click on save and quit, or you can just click on prevent test to see what it would look like. Okay. Now let's just click on save and quit. Okay. Now you can see our design. If you want to add additional settings, you can just click on edit settings here, and then you can just click on schedule. Oh wait. Well, so basically that's it. You just need to add sender, recipients, subject, design. Now here you can use the templates here, and then you can just start scheduling this campaign. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.